Lucy, here at AO. We've all been there. An outfit looks fine in the wardrobe and then you put it on and it's absolutely creased. Now, whilst an iron is going to do a great job, there's times when ironing is just not possible. Maybe you're travelling, you're short on storage space, or just in need of a quick refresh. So here are some ways to remove wrinkles without an iron. Steam is one of the easiest ways to relax fabric fibres. If you've got a tumble dryer, pop your creased item inside with a damp towel. Tumble dry on a medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes and then hang it up straight away. Steam from a hot shower at home will also do the trick. Hang it in the bathroom whilst you're having a hot shower and let the steam do all the hard work. A hairdryer is great for targeting specific creases on your clothes. Hang up your item and grab a misting bottle. Give it a once over with water and then use a hairdryer on high heat. Hold it a few inches away and then pull your fabric taut as you dry. If you're dealing with more delicate fabric like knitwear, you need a gentler approach, and this one works really well. Lay the item flat with the damp towel on top and then gently press down with your hands. Now you're not rubbing, you're just using a gentle pressure to relax the fibres and smooth out the creases. There we go, you can already see the difference. Another great way to remove wrinkles without an iron is to make your own wrinkle release spray. Mix water and a small amount of liquid fabric softener into a spray bottle. Lightly spray the creased areas and then smooth with your hand before leaving it to air dry. You can even add a drop of essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus. This method takes a little longer, but it's great for travelling when you can't fit an iron in your bag. Lay the item flat on a damp towel and then roll it up tightly. Leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes. Unroll it to see the creases have gone, smooth it out and then hang it up to finish drying. And there we have it, some handy tips to keep your clothes looking fresh with minimal effort.